Hi there, my name is Maddie Bailey, and I did my project on human trafficking. So, human trafficking, a current world issue. What is human trafficking? Human trafficking, also known as trafficking in persons, is often described as a modern-day form of slavery. It involves the recruitment, transportation, harboring, and/or exercising control, direction, or influence over the movements of a person in order to exploit that person, typically through sexual exploitation or forced labor. Who is affected by human trafficking? The majority of reported cases for human trafficking show that women and girls are the most affected. The two main types of human trafficking are sexual exploitation and forced work labor. In forced work labor trafficking, a majority of victims come from developing countries where they don't have access to healthcare, food, reliable housing, money, jobs, and they're usually coerced into fake promises of all of these things that make them sign up for work. Or another way that they get coerced into being trafficked is they are threatened to lose their job or their home or get their family taken away. So, what are some signs of human trafficking? Human trafficking can show itself in many different ways, such as a manipulative or controlling partner, receiving random gifts of money or objects from people, intimate photos of you being shared with or without your consent, working in brutal conditions, being threatened of deportation, a job offer that is too good to be true, your employer withholding personal identification from you without reason, and relocating for work with few details on what this job is and no payment for the move up front. Facts and statistics. 1,708 incidents of human trafficking have been reported to police services in Canada since 2009. 90% of incidents of human trafficking were reported in census metropolitan areas. 97% of victims of police-reported human trafficking were women and girls. 81% of persons accused of human trafficking since 2009 have been men. How to get help. So if you or someone you know believe that they've been a victim of human trafficking, there are many different places that you can reach out to, one of them being the Canadian Human Trafficking Hotline. It is operating 24/7, and on the side here there's a phone number and an online chat, and if you think that somebody is being trafficked, you can submit a tip. Other places you can reach out to are your local police station and 911. If you are looking for further information on human trafficking, here are the references I use.